The beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water is a revitalizing essence packed with traditional Korean herbal ingredients designed to nourish and hydrate the skin. In this video, we'll be taking a deeper dive into its key ingredients and how to use this essence water properly in your skincare routine. The beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence water is designed to nourish and hydrate the skin while improving elasticity and overall radiance. Here are the key ingredients in the essence. First, we have 80% ginseng root water. Ginseng has long been revered in traditional Korean medicine for its ability to improve circulation and revitalize the skin. It provides deep nourishment, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, and enhances skin elasticity. The next ingredient is 2% niacinamide, known for its brightening and anti-inflammatory properties. Niacinamide helps to improve skin texture, even out skin tone, and reduce redness. Let's now jump into how to use the essence into your skincare routine. You can use the essence both morning and evening. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Dispense an appropriate amount of the essence water onto your hands or a cotton pad. Gently pat or swipe the essence onto your face, focusing on areas where your skin needs extra hydration and nourishment. Apply your water-based serums followed by your oil-based serums. After applying any serums, follow with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration and sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage during the day. The beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering nourishing, hydrating, and brightening benefits. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can achieve a more youthful, glowing complexion. If you want to learn more about some of our favorite Korean skincare products, check out this video here next.